Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the missing ultimate performance power plan on your Windows power plan. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, go to search bar and type in CMD. Now right click on the result and click run as administrator. Once you are inside the CMD, paste the following commands and press enter. As you can see, your new power scheme has been added, which is Ultimate Performance Mode. We can enable it from the CMD, but just to make sure, let me show you the another way. Go to search bar, type in control panel, click the result, go to hardware and sound, click on power options. Now you can see Ultimate Performance Power Plan inside the additional power plans. In case you get this type of interface, just click on show additional plans and you will get your ultimate performance power plan inside the power options. And to enable it, just click on this circle and it will be enabled instantly. So if you like the video, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and this much for today guys. See you in the next video.